Let's take a look at Newport in the new color Crushed Almond Blonde R by Beltress and their brand new City collection, one of my new favorite blondes. It's a 14, a 17, a 101, and an 18. Okay, that sounds familiar, doesn't it? Because here I am holding the Julianne Petite in Palm Springs Blonde. And this one is an FS 17101 S18. Very, very similar color codes, yet I feel they're very different. So with the Crushed Almond R, I believe you are actually getting a little bit of sandy tones, some honey tones coming through, some platinum, and then some ash platinum all the way through it. And that's supposed to be on an 18 root, which to me would indicate like a dark blonde, but in this case, I feel like it's still pretty dark. So more of a light to medium brown overall. What I love about this color is, even though it's neutral leaning cool, it does have a little more neutral tones in it. So with my neutral skin tone, I can wear this blend beautifully. It's very creamy and soft in its blending. Sometimes when you have zero warmth at all, it gets to be a little more harsh, and that works for so many of you. I just feel like I am more flattered by neutral tones. So here is that Palm Springs Blonde FS 17101 S18. This is ash on ash on ash. So you can see it, a medium ash blonde with ash platinum highlights. This is almost devoid of any kind of warmth, not even any neutral colors. And then the S18 here is supposed to be a light brown root. Your Palm Springs Blonde is going to have a white, kind of a toned white look to it. So it's almost gone over with a violet toner. There's no purple in it, but that's just really how cool it is, that they really cooled and toned it down a lot. Tell me what your thoughts are below in the comments. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon.